Hey friends, this is Miss Safir with Alusha and welcome to Safia's Kitchen. How are you everyone? I hope you are healthy and hearty by the grace of Almighty Allah. So guys, today I made a halal straight chicken curry in rice cooker. It's very easy and delicious. You can try it if you want. As I was cooking rice cooker, first of all, I put the lime in the rice cooker. When the rice cooker was hot, I poured oil in it. When the oil was hot, I added 4 masalas and chopped onions and stirred it for a while. Adding amounts like garlic paste, ginger paste, turmeric powder, spicy chili powder, stirred for a while with cumin powder and salt. Pour water and match as needed. Then I give the chopped chicken, which had been thoroughly washed beforehand. I covered it for a while, lifted the lid and scooped it. Then left a little space between the lid so that the stem could escape. I added some cayenne pepper to give it a nice flavor. And guys, finally ready it. It is very soft, very yummy, very delicious. Try it. It is very fun to play with white rice. And I had to look how soft it is. It is creamy too.